Welcome to the world of Arogya, the all-in-one hospital management solution. You can either download Arogya app from Play Store or App Store or use the Arogya portal provided to you with Arogya HMIS. Hello everyone. So in today's video, we will continue with the prescription process. To access the prescription, go to the patient's record under the name Aditya Singh for the date 17th January. Click on the patient's name, then click on the prescription option. This will take you to a page where you can enter routine details such as blood pressure. Save the routine details and add any clinical notes if required. Instead of typing a new clinical note, you can select from previously saved templates. The system allows you to choose from existing templates, which will automatically fill in the details. I will select a previously saved template, label it as an accident, and save the clinical notes. If any investigations are required, you can add them under the investigation section. For example, I'm adding a CBC test along with CGP and saving the investigation details. Similarly, if any medicines needs to be prescribed, you can use a medicine template and save the prescription. Also, you have the option to add services if required. Though it is not mandatory, I will add one service for your reference. If the patient has scheduled treatment, you can add it from the schedule list. For example, I will add a leg exercise to the schedule and it will be displayed accordingly. Now that everything is ready, I will show you how the OPD prescription looks. This is the final OPD prescription format. Previously, we had covered the steps for ABHA address creation and verification. Now, moving on to OPD services, you can update OPD details. Simply select the patient, check the existing prescription, and update any details like the referring doctor or OPD service details. If you need to make any changes, click on the required key, update the information, and save it. Another important feature is the additional consultation queue. If a patient has already consulted the doctor but needs to return for further consultation after an hour due to an investigation, you can create an additional queue for them. This ensures that they get the new queue number for the second consultation. To do this, simply select the patient and create an additional consultation entry. This is helpful when a patient revisits for further examination or discussion. We have already reviewed OPD services. You can select the patient's name and add any additional services if needed. The same process applies to OPD consultation and OPD billing. You can add services and save the billing details. If there is a need to cancel any OPD services, go to the patient's record, select the service, provide a reason for cancellation, and save the record. Regarding the prescription, you can access it either through the CPOE, which is Computerized Physician Order Entry System, or directly from the prescription section. If a treatment cost estimate is required, select the patient and generate a rough estimate of the charges. If the rates are available, the system will calculate the approximate cost. You can save the estimate or inform the patient about the expected charges. With this, the prescription and service process is complete. Thank you. Thank you for watching.